So this is the unit. Avida Towers, Vireo. Arca South, Tower 2, 11th floor. And this is 51.60 square meters. 2 bedrooms. And this is around 10.7 million regular price. Discounted price is around 9.7 million or 189,000 per square meter. That's already below market value. Nasa 200,000 per square meter and up na po dito. And meron tayong balcony dito sa living area niya. Yan. Ang view niya is kitang-kita yung Laguna de Bay. Ayun o. And ano ba yan? Marikina Valley ba yan? Yan. City view. That's Upper Bikutan. So ito yung pinaka living and dining area nyo. Kitchen, over and under cabinets. It looks like hindi siya nagamit ang previous owner. Good as brand new. And then dito yung fridge. May abang siya. And dito yung bedroom area nyo. Okay. And bathroom. May shower din dito. Hiwalay siya. And parang may abang ng laundry area dito. Ito yung bedroom 1. Corner unit. That's why maganda yung ventilation and yung lighting natin. We have windows on both sides. And as you can see, makinis na makinis pa yung unit. Talagang hindi siya natira ng previous owner. And then ito yung bedroom 2. Medyo maliit siya. Aircon provision hindi rin nagamit. Yung aircon cover hindi nabuksan. So this is available in cash or 10 to 20% down payment, 80 to 90% balance, in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. So within Arca South po tayo. This is prime location. Magkakaroon ng subway dito. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Function room. Gym. Liit lang.